With summer on its way, whether you want to indulge in beach reads or find a quiet zone during layovers or flights, BOOX has summer-proofed your focus. As an Android ePaper, the Palma 2 Pro is eye-friendly for intentional content consumption anytime, anywhere. It delivers soothing color and paper comfort unlike harsh smartphone screens. The Palma 2 Pro supports 5G data connectivity, AGPS, and InkSense Plus. You can download various apps and record your daily fragments. If you want an ePaper with textured paper feel to handle some light work tasks, our Note Air5 C could be your pick. Read colored textbooks or charts, and take color-coded notes. You can deal with proactivity smoothly with the octa-core processor and BSR technology. It works well with Android apps like Docs or OneNote. For faster input, you can snap the keyboard cover with Note Air5 C for high productivity. For digital nomads, the Go 10.3 Gen 2 series delivers pure reading and writing experience. As our thinnest ePaper tablet to date, it offers two options: the Go 10.3 Gen 2 with no front light, and the Go 10.3 Gen 2 Lumi with front lights. The 300 ppi ePaper display brings ultra-sharp, crisp text and fine lineal details even under harsh outdoor lighting, so you can view documents and engage in long-form thinking comfortably. As your mindful second brain, the Go 10.3 Gen 2 series turns messy ideas into actionable plans. You can access your calendars and project management tools via the Google Play Store pre-installed. For travelers and commuters, our newly launched Go 6 Gen 2 stands as the reading companion on the road. At 160 grams with 32 gigabyte storage, it's a travel-ready e-reader. You can download books for your journeys ahead. It also supports InkSense Plus for inspiration thoughts during travel. Whatever your pace of summer life, there is a BOOX designed to fit your flow.